Hello, this is Amanda, the founder and CEO of Froliage, and today I wanted to share a video with you about makeup basics for beginners. It can be hard if you're just starting to do your makeup to know what products you need, how to apply them, and so I'm just doing a quick video to show my technique and also the products that I use. And there's also a link in the description box below to an article that lists out all the products that I use with links to each one. So let's jump into it. We're starting off with the Froliage H2O primer to give you the perfect base. Then we go in with the Froliage Brow Fix Gel. I'm using the brown color just to fill in those brows. And then we're going to go with the Froliage Concealer and just clean up the brow area a little bit. Let's blend that in. Then just smooth it out with the spoolie. Now we're using the Froliage the foundation. Using Froliage foundation just to even out our skin tone and give us that really clean look. Now with the Froliage Concealer, just to hide any dark areas, let's bring some light to the face, blend that in, and go over the whole thing with the Froliage Translucent Powder, just to give us a real nice matte finish. Then we're going to do some contouring with the bronzer, the Froliage bronzer. Let's blend that in. Next, we're going to highlight with the Froliage Sheer Glow Cream. And we're going to bring a little warmth and color back to the face with the Froliage Blush. Now we're doing the eyes. Let's start off with that Froliage Gel Eyeliner in True Black. I love this eyeliner because once you apply it, it stays all day. It does not run or move or smudge. Next, the Froliage Mascara. And now my favorite lash glue, which is the Froliage Lash Glue Liner. So easy to put on lashes with this. You don't have to wait for it to dry, and you can put it directly on your eyelid and then just stick your lashes. Now for the lips, we're going to start off with some Froliage Lip Conditioner just to soften up the lips. Then the Froliage Liquid Lipstick in City Girl. And to finish it off, we're going to use a little Froliage Holographic Lip Gloss over the City Girl Liquid Lipstick. And I'm just now styling my hair. Put a little part, pin it down on the side. And there you go, an easy everyday look. Perfect makeup look for beginners. Thanks for watching. And remember to visit Froliage.com for your vegan cosmetic needs.